Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making table calendar. Firstly, you have to take 12 by 12 paper and mark it 3 centimeter from both sides. And after that, fold it from there. Now mark 3 centimeters from both sides, up and down on a paper to fold it. Now make same to same 2 more like this. Draw or take a printout of your favorite cartoon character and cut it. After that you have to paste it on it. Now make a circle or any kind of shape you like and cut it. Decorate it with your favorite color, design, stones, and write year in the center of the circle. Paste this circle on the paper which is left. Now it's look like this. Now take a 4 size sheet and mark 4 centimeter from the both side of the paper. Now fold it from the both sides which is marked like this from the both sides. And fold the paper from the center and make a crease in the center of the paper. Now it will look like this. It's a triangle, it's like a triangle, and paste the bottom of the paper which is fold. Now take the pockets which we made and stick it on it like this. Paste all 3 pockets on it. Take a colorful sheet and write day, month and date on the paper and cut it. Paste date, month and day on the pocket. Now take a paper 4 by 6 and write month's name, date and day on it. All these paper in the pocket of the date, month and day, and you can change it according to the date, month and day. It's a very easy table calendar and you can make it according to your cartoon character and design it as you like. So it's interesting now and it's look very beautiful on your table or a study table and wherever you like to place it. Hope you like my video or my craft. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching it. Bye.